I'm thinking that block's gonna fly out.
What could go wrong? And wouldn't it be great if it went right? Let's find out. Hey guys, it's Rick, Elijah Tooling. I am excited to bring to you today a test of the D-Drive vise. We know it's a great product, but what are its limits? We're gonna lift with the vise. Let's find out how far we can go. Dude, what is happening? How much weight's it showing? That's not much weight.
More weight.
I was gonna say, we need more weight. How do we get more weight on there?